This is the freight elevator at Soldiers and Sailors Memorial Hall and Museum in Oakland, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. This is an old William R. Rees elevator company, but sadly it's been modernized by Otis with GAL jet plus fixtures. Swing door on the outside and scissor gate on the inside. It's still relay controlled and it still has the original motor. This door and interlock is very finicky. I'll shut the inner gate. See, sadly it's been modernized by Otis to GAL jet plus fixtures. Anyway, let's go down to the basement. It's really loud. Here's the room floor. That was burned out. Now let's go up to 3. Oh wow, take a look at that. That's very interesting. Here are 3 which is on, or actually no, this is 2. Now here's 3. That metal. Here 3. Wait. Oh wow, this is a very far distance. Wow. There's the kitchen. There's the kitchen. Let's go back down to 1. This is a very interesting elevator, very far distance between 2 and 3. No phone, red wiring. Pretty basic gated elevator. There's a certificate. There's your add-on GAL lantern. There used to be fluorescent light there. Here's the new fluorescent light with this modern sensor. Take a look at that. There's like one of the second photos. This is very interesting. Which is the mezzanine. And there the outer door closes, and that's gonna be it. Door closes when I shut it. I like that, and that's gonna be it.